My dear students, after a long time I am coming to school to make the video for you for the activities that you need to do in the practical laboratory. As the school is closed now, you can see nobody is here. I have taken special permission from our Honorable Director Sir to come to the lab and perform the activities for you. Missing the school for a long time. Let's enter and see. Hello my dear students of class 10. Today's new activity for you, that is respiration. Here I am going to demonstrate the aerobic respiration, that is part of your chapter light process, chapter number 6. So let's start with the activity. So my dear students, I need to weigh the lime. We need some lime, as I told you earlier. So I am just setting the balance. You can see this is a digital balance where I have set 0 along with this paper. So along with this paper, after setting 0, I will weigh roughly about 25 gram or 30 gram of lime. So here, so my dear students, I need this reagent. I need some lime, that I have to make the lime water out of this lime. So I have taken 100 ml of distilled water here in the measuring cylinder. You can see 100 ml of distilled water. This I need to dissolve the lime in it. So let me dissolve the lime in this distilled water. So we have to stir it with a glass rod, and so we have to wait for it to settle down and make it, the solution will be transparent. So I have to wait for some time till it become transparent. Let me tell you, I have taken this jar to fill this lime water. Here is some freshly plucked floral buds of hibiscus that I will use as the component to show out the respiration process taking place in this floral bud. This is the apparatus setup. Here I will put some lime water and the floral bud will be kept here. Or I may again use this apparatus, which is also known as respiroscope. You can see this is called the respiroscope. This is, here I am going to put the floral bud, and here I will put the lime water. I have to fix it here, the mouth of the lime water, tightly with a cork, and here also I have to fix it with a cork so that no oxygen should enter here. So that I will prepare. So just watch till this lime water become transparent. You can see now, to keep it undisturbed. See, it is, the process has started already. So you can see I am putting some Vaseline and sealing the mouth of this apparatus so that there should be no entry of oxygen. The motto of the activity should not be hampered, so it need to be airtight. Okay, so now I need to close everything, the curtain and all to put, so that light should not enter here. So this is the setup. So tomorrow I will come and see the result, and then I will tell you what is the change that has taken place. So you can see I have just put the curtain here so that there should be no entry of light and the activity should not be hampered. Again, for other safety measures, I am just taking this towel and putting it over it so that no light should enter and hamper the activity. So this is the setup. Tomorrow we will get the result. So wait till tomorrow. So student, as per I came to school to see the result of the activity that we have performed the last day. Let me switch on the light and fan. I told you that the last day we'll come and see the activity, the result of the activity for the respiration, aerobic respiration taken place in the floral bud. Now let me open. Okay, see, respiration has already taken place, and you see the change in the lime water. You can see the milky white. Okay, it has turned a bit milky white. You can see already the patches, the white calcium carbonate deposition in this tube. The tube is totally changed, isn't it? So this is the experiment to perform this activity, that is the aerobic respiration has taken place by this floral bud, and the lime water has turned milky due to the carbon dioxide which is evolved from this this budding floral buds have passed through this delivery tube, and it has changed the lime water milky. So this was the activity.